my brother's phone because my mom's phone is dead. So yeah, my mom's phone is low battery now. Almost at the next crossing now.
Just a friendly reminder to please keep all body parts inside of the train cars. Mahalo, you guys. Some of the plants do have pretty sharp thorns.
to tell you guys, it's my birthday today, and I'm gonna tell the driver